What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Crook Brown, and this is How to Write a Rap. I thank y'all for tuning in. Before we get into it, I need to take care of some business. I need you guys to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I drop these new tips. And I'm trying to do them pretty consistently. So today I want to talk about repetition and refrains and how they can be useful in hip hop. Like, one good person that using repetition is Mike Jones. He made a career out of saying the last line over and over, and maybe even sometimes 3 times. And what that does is it sets you apart from everybody else. And there's slick ways to do it, like maybe y'all didn't hear me, or let me say this again because y'all didn't catch it, especially when it's a bar that's incredible, especially like an ending bar, or even in the middle of a verse, there's something that was just like, oh, yo, that was dope. It's okay to like repeat the bar. Another good time for refrains, which is like repeating a line, is especially like on hooks. 2 Chainz is very, very good at that. A lot of old Southern hip hop in general, especially like Lil Jon, was just repeating lines, and people would be going crazy at concerts because they can memorize something that's repetitive. Don't ever feel bad for being repetitive sometimes. Like it can add flavor. You can say it with different tonality. You can say it with different inflections. You can spice it up. Like, don't get caught up in other people's opinions about what you should do with your raps. Like, this is just tips. I'm not an end all be all expert. I've just got some experience in doing this, and this is what I do. And I mix all this stuff together. I'm never gonna be put in a box, and you shouldn't be either. And I want to hear you guys' comments on and ideas on who else you think is dope at repeating lines. What's some other creative ways to bring lines back on a song, and put them in the comments. I would love to interact with y'all. This your boy Crook Brown. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and this is How to Write a Rap. Thank you for tuning in.